Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So as in a diabetics, it's said to be that you need to maintain your sugar levels to the normal in spite of following a good diet and also following about the good medication as well and on a proper time. Sometimes we fail to maintain our sugar levels in a normal way. So here the natural remedies will help you out in giving you this effective result by maintaining your sugar levels to the normal without any side effects, without giving any side effects to your body. So here for this remedy we are taking betel leaves. Betel leaves are very effectively worked in this process. So this is a very simple ingredient and the process is also simple, but it gives you a very effective result. Betel leaves has a very good digestion enzymes in it, which gives the body a good digestion rate and metabolism rate and reduces the constipation, gas and bloating problems. When the body is ready to digest the food which we have taken in a proper way, then you can maintain your sugar levels in a normal way. So you need to take these betel leaves and wash them, clean it and keep them aside. Next, you need to take a glass of water. Then you need to add a pieces of betel leaves that we have taken, neatly cleaned and washed. Make them into pieces and add it to the water. And you need to cover this and keep it aside for about whole night. You need to allow this betel leaves to soak in this water for a whole night. Next day morning, you need to take this betel leaves out and you need to drink this water, and that has to be taken on an empty stomach regularly. Taking this betel leaves drink in an everyday regularly on an empty stomach will help you out in controlling the sugar levels and manage your diabetic condition, and also helps you in giving you good weight loss, and also improves your digestive system, improves your metabolism and cleanses your body, cleans your body, makes your body blood purified, and also gives you the strong gums and strong teeth and strong bones as well. So this detox water will help you out in clearing and controlling the sugar levels and maintain your diabetic condition in a very natural way.